Here's an interesting app which is called Autopaste keyboard. Copy paste faster. Uh, yeah, here you can just see the app. Autopaste keyboard is a free, fast, and easy keyboard app to help you easily copy paste preset text directly from your keyboard without having to switch to another place to copy and paste the same text. If you find yourself often losing time typing the same text over and over again, like emails, addresses, phone numbers, this is free keyboard. The app is a perfect solution to save you time. So you automatically pass and send text, beautifully keyboard, free, fast, and easy passport, powerful robot clipboard. So yeah, just pretty cool app to create some, phrases and then pass them quickly, yeah, and easily. And yeah, so that's the idea. And you can also use that obviously for TikTok or Snapchat. And then you can enable notifications if you want. You can allow tracking. Then there is premium for free. Then $7 per week. So 3-day free trial you have here. And then, how to add it, you need to, just go through Autopaste settings, go to keyboards, enable Autopaste keyboard, enable full access. So, yep, keyboards, Autopaste, and then enable full access. And there you have it. So now it should be enabled. And then here, you will have already some items which were added already. So items here can be quickly pasted. You can add stuff to spam friends with or info you often need, like emails. So you can just add this here. I don't know what's like activate auto send. So what that is, I have no idea. Get premium, enable keyboard, use premium code. So we already did that. So anyhow, let's just try it out in Snapchat. Why not? So here is Snapchat. And then I just want to go to some chats, and then I want to switch this keyboard. So I just tap on this globus icon in bottom left to switch to this keyboard. And then I, just do this and then just send it. Oopsie.
Yes.
So here, if you want to add some additional items, you just do that. And then, so then you can just basically paste it like that. And this is like quite handy because then here you can just save a lot of time and resources. If you want to add item, you can add it for free, but then you will just need to watch an ad. But yeah, here you can just copy some pretty cool things, like for Autopath, some pretty cool patterns which can be used on Snapchat.
Jeg tjente 700 kroner.
Yeah, unfortunately, there are a lot of annoying ads. And then if you're using this kind of app, you will see, yeah, that's what it is. So activate auto send or not using then you can see some nice tutorials. And yeah, so that's how you can use it. Again, if you want to add it, you can just remove all the items, or you can add a new item here. So yeah, I don't know what auto send is, so I just enabled it. So yeah, auto send, basically you don't need to press return button. Okay, now I get it. So yeah, that's what it is.